Hello? Is this the reception? I beg the room when I did, so I said the room the leak. Alright. Are you telling him to hurry so I can come as soon as possible? Okay, thank you.
Good evening, sir. We got your call. Thank you for your call and talk to us.
I will not do! I can't listen to say the leak. They give me good evening. Go and check your AC and put it in order.
Which AC they leak? This one?
In the leak water. Go check it.
The leak water. Okay, now throw. Sam, we don't stop.
But this is not off now.
Yes. I don't offer.
I go feel it now. If this is also, I go feel it now. No say the sweat. On the AC.
But tell me the complaint. You say your AC they leak water. And I don't offer. As I offer, Sam. If I on them now, you say they leak. You say as I offer now. The leakage have.
So man sleep inside it.
No, you cannot sleep inside it. There is hand fan. See.
You say what?
There is a paper here. You can
use
and fan yourself.
What is it?
I say paper there inside here. If you and fan yourself.
I go pay hotel and pay. You can pick money. Man, paper take for myself.
That's what I'm saying now. See, I've on the AC. See, I'm in the leak.
I want to see the manager.
Paper there. If you and fan yourself. All these ungrateful clients.
If you see me again, now to hear white clothes, we put time for them. I forget your mouth beside the place. Then they talk that you know how much I pay for the place. Listen, I pay money put. The AC the leak water. You say this vagabond come with me. You say no normal person in this place. Don't tell me to calm down. I mean, let's pump you for the eye. Go put AC in order. AC is bringing water. Then the call the call offer. Put me for inside. It don't you know my clients.
What's happening?
The man come. Say AC they leak water. Now I can't go for that place. I say which AC they leak? He say that this AC. Now I apologize. Say we sincerely apologize for the inconveniences. Now I'm off the AC.
You have to insist to mention the nonsense. Why don't you want to when you go?
Bro, sorry, no vex, so excuse me, I beg. When he entered the room, I need to say AC they leak, and he offer. The leakage stop, abi you no stop.
Let me ask you.
When you stop, so you don't see sweat for my face. Normally you go rush hotel, then you go have sweat.
I give am book, may you stand instead.
Abi na but your AC dey shut. This thing stop now.
You don't pay
hotel money before you. But to know what here.
I don't give book for you stand your.
My manager was
stand back.
Action!
Check the address! Wetin I want you? Why you wanna go fight for hotel?
You dey listen for me?
Yeah, I won't fight for you. I go check it for eyes.
This money dey listen for me? You see me them mate? You see me met it?
I want money for life. You say why you go in your fight? You not gonna go the open wife for this way for hotel. Na 5-star hotel. See this one hotel. I want choking for your eye.
You gonna give me my uniform?
See this one. I want choking for your eye. No go do it.
You don't know just hotel once.
Oh my God, yeah.
Na go wear white shirt.
Yeah, you open eye.
You not to say the sweat. You ain't blind.
No, Isime, please.
I want to see the manager.
Isime, that is not how to talk to a customer. You
Now you start this nonsense for Insta. Now for Asia, you for rich share.
Excuse me, sir. We sincerely apologize.
I want to see manager. You tell me say I apologize for who?
That is not how to talk to a customer.
Come,
You are not polite.
come, show you the man. No, wait, no, you start to fight. Say, I go choke her for your eye. I go choke her for this man eye. So what you get like this? You don't get
They go punish you for that.
I go choke her for your eye.
I will tell you. It's alright. They don't sack your papa. They have sacked.
We apologize for any inconvenience you might have faced here, and we are deeply sorry, and we will do better next time.
Yes, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
Just calm down.
We sincerely apologize for that.
Say big-time morons. Simple words. That's what I did there. You saw how I stood.
Yes, sir.
With the panache and the class, eloquence, concise, brief.
Yes, sir.
Yes. That's how to apologize. And when I did that, what happened? What happened? He forgave us.
Talk about like this one person a small pikin. Now me don't come out and Uru waka. Ask! If you don't know me, you ask. Maybe if I ask you, make you ask about me. Then the talk is gonna talk. Do you think I'm a mate? I'm going to 40 years, sir.
No, sir.
You know me before?
No.
Coming back first thing tomorrow morning, and I'm taking the plasma. Then they talk for insurance this girl. This one for fair insurance. No sense.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. You say you collect the plasma.
Yeah.
The man that you say that you talk with hello.
Yes,
Yes, you say you collect the plasma.
I was here.
Yes, the man that you say you use customer service for, sir. You say you collect the plasma.
I quite
The man that you say that you forgave us, sir. You say you collect the
she
plasma.
was screaming a lot.
Yes, the
So
man that
I could hear
yes, the man that you calm down, sir.
exactly what he
You came
said.
back and say you collect the plasma.
Maybe
You know your eloquence helped us to
You-
make him forgive us the
Yes.
first time, but you come back and say you collect the plasma.
he was very loud and sweaty. I could hear.
Yeah, but you say you collect the plasma.
Don't hear that.
We'll do something. You know what? Why don't we just carry on with normal hotel duties, whatever you guys.
Okay, is it after he has said
Dude.
you collect the plasma?
It's nice time. I will.
Thank you, sir.
You say you collect the plasma, sir.